this Numbers quick click, I'm going to show you how to use some basic formatting tools. So popping over into Numbers now. Now the first thing I can do is I can actually adjust or format the whole sheet, the whole page. So to do that, I'm just going to simply tap on that formatting paintbrush and you'll see some options that I have there. I can rename my sheet straight from here, or I could also change the background colour of this sheet. Now, if I was actually wanting to format a whole table, I'm going to select the table. Now, I can tell that this entire table is selected because I can see the little circle up in the top left-hand corner and all the numbers and letters of the rows and columns have appeared. That means my entire table has been selected. So again, I'm going to tap on that formatting paintbrush and I'm going to look at the table tab. So there are some preset options for formatting a whole table. I can change the way it looks like this by touching on those things. I can adjust the number of rows and columns. I could adjust the row and column size, changing the height and the width of those rows and columns that are selected. I can add a title to this table. I could add a caption. I can also change the table font or the table font size. And as you can see that when I'm making those adjustments, it's making the adjustments to every single element within that table. Now let's just say I only wanted to change this cell here. So I've got this cell selected, I've tapped out and tapped just on that one cell. Now I'm going to go into the cell formatting tab, and from here I could perhaps take my bold off, put it back on. I can indent, underline, I can change the size, and you'll see that it's just changing the size of only that cell. I can change the text color, the alignment. I can also change the way that my text is aligned to the top and the bottom of each cell. And I can change the cell fill color. I can also, interestingly enough, add images into the background of cells as well. If you were to tap on this Format tab, this is where very specific things would be formatted all at once. So for example, the text. And I can use some arranging tools to perhaps push a table back, bring it forward, to align it correctly on my page. And that's how you use some very basic formatting tools in Numbers.